Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can earn big with Amazon affiliates. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your current income, this step-by-step guide will get you on the right track. Let's dive in. First things first, what is the Amazon Affiliate Program? It's a way for you to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. Sounds simple, right? Now let's get you signed up. Head over to the Amazon Associates website and create an account. Fill in the necessary details, your website, app, or social media profiles. Amazon needs to know where you're planning to promote their products. Once approved, you'll have access to your affiliate dashboard. Next up, finding the right products to promote. Choose products that align with your niche and audience. If you run a tech blog, promote gadgets or software. If you're into fitness, look for workout gear or supplements. The key is to stay relevant to your audience. To get your affiliate links, simply search for a product on Amazon. In the top bar, click on Get Link and choose how you want to display it. You can generate text links, image links, or even banners. Copy the link and integrate it into your content. Content is king. Create valuable and engaging content around the products you're promoting. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts. Share your honest opinions and experiences. People trust authentic reviews and recommendations. SEO is your best friend. Optimize your content with relevant keywords to increase visibility. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find high-ranking keywords related to your niche. This will help drive organic traffic to your content and ultimately your affiliate links. Leverage social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest can be gold mines for affiliate marketing. Share your content and links, engage with your followers, and join relevant groups or communities. The wider your reach, the higher your potential earnings. Track your performance. Use the Amazon Associates dashboard to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze what works and what doesn't. This will help you refine your strategy and focus on what brings the best results. So, there you have it, folks. A quick and simple guide to earning big with Amazon affiliates. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key. Keep creating, keep promoting, and watch those commissions roll in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.